Ever wondered what a talking parrot thinks of gourmet ramen? Or candy salad? Buckle up, Leto. This bird's got opinions.
Crunchy noodles? No. Overcooked disaster? Absolutely.
Sweet mother of feathers! Who eats this? My beak's vibrating.
Spicy ice cream? My tongue's on fire, and I don't even have one. Texture? Crunchy. Flavor? Chaos. Creativity? 10 out of 10.
These TikTok chefs are either geniuses or lunatics, probably both.
Humans? Please stop! My taste buds can't take this anymore!
Follow for more brutally honest bird reviews.